Hello, my name is Mark Roberson. I work for National Equipment Dealers. We're sitting in a brand new HX145A. My territories are Osceola County, Brevard County, Indian River County, St. Lucie County, Martin County, Palm Beach County, and Okeechobee County. Today we're here to talk about the new safety cam lock feature on the 145. There's a safety switch on the right side of the column. We'll depress that and then press it down. That puts it in the unlock mode. And on the right joystick, there's a second set of toggle switches. The bottom one, we will depress the left side of it, holding that in, and then we will curl in, and that releases the safety valve. To connect the machine back up, push the same button back in, curl in, boom down, and it will hook back up. And as we're picking it up, pull in, then release the button, and you're locked back on. Lay it back on the ground, and we just ensure safety. This concludes the tutorial on the 145 Quick Connect procedure. Again, my territory is Southeast Florida, and I can be contacted anytime. I'd love to help you. If you would like more information about our company, it's neddealers.com. Thank you very much.